Take command of the road in the 2015 Nissan Titan. A 5.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include power windows, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.